Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it's December 4th, 2025. This is one of the last units of today. It's a John Deere 200 CLC. It's got 8,700 hours on it. We're gonna give you a quick little operations and walk around video. Let you see this unit in action, guys. The oil is clean on the machine. It may have an injector that's giving it a little bit of issues, but it runs okay. No leaks from the pump to be seen. Any major leaks? The boom looks pretty good, guys. No scabbed in pieces or anything like that. Looks like this bone, looks like they may have scabbed in some stuff here to add some strength, which is fine. Go ahead and hop in the cab, show you the hours. Showing 8753.1 hours. Now we'll go ahead and get you a quick little operations video. None of these cylinders seem to be a little bit of a scuff here. I don't think it's causing it to leak though. No leaks on these three main cylinders. That one there may have a little bit of a leak there on the left, but nothing major. We'll go ahead and get you a quick little operations video here. Let you see this unit in action. All right, guys. as you can see, guys, the unit functions as it's supposed to. Runs good. It's got a little bit of smoke from the motor. I believe it's probably an injector, but I can't guarantee that. But it does smell like an injector, and the noise sounds like it's an injector. Pretty common on any of these motors. You know, injectors go bad or they get weak. So anyway, nice little machine. Besides that, guys, the functions work as it's supposed to. The pump was clean and dry. No major leaks from that. Pretty decent machine. If you're interested in this machine, give us a call, 972-666-9501 or 1-855-EQ-DEALS. Thank you very much.